Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we are going to see the functions in a PHP. So let's see. Function are those callable section of a code that you can pass the data to and that can return data to you. So functions are a sub-program which are used to compute a value or perform a task. So these are some important functions: easy to debug, reusability, no code repetition, and easy to handle the code. That's why here we use the function. Then see, this is the syntax in a PHP. So write here the function keyword, then pass here the some function name, then these are the parameters, and this is the opening brace and a closing brace. This is your the block of a code, and by using this function name we call the function. So this is your the function definition, this is the function calling. Okay, so these are the some rules where the function can be used. So function name only start with a letter or underscore. So function name cannot start with a number. Do not use a predefined constant name like a PHP version, PHP OS, etc. Do not use a keywords, okay, if else, etc. Function name are a case insensitive, though it is usually good from to call function as they appear in their declaration. So these are the some rules where the function can be used in a PHP. So let's see the one example. So going to program mode. So here we remove this code, save. So here we define one function. So see here, use the function keyword, then pass here the one function name, for example display, and here is one message echo function call, and here we call the function display, semicolon, save. See here function call. So this function doesn't have any return type, okay, and there is no parameter. So this is your the function definition, and here this is function calling. So if you call this function one more time, so see here, this is again function call. So this is the reusability of a function. Then next function is that by using the function parameter. So for example, my function name is that the addition. So there are the two parameter a and the b. So here $answer is equal to a plus b, and here answer is equal to $answer. So my function is that the addition. So addition, and pass the two parameter 5, 6. So this 5 value is copied to this first parameter a, and 6 value is copied to this second parameter b. So a is that the 5, b is that the 6. So 5 plus 6 is that the 11, and this answer is stored this answer variable, and here we print your the answer $ans. So this is your answer 11. So this is a function parameter. So if you try to return this answer, then see here return $answer. So there is a no change in this function definition. There is no need to add the return type. Directly this answer is returned to here, and call this function in echo or store this answer in one variable and print this variable here echo $C. Okay, so this is a function return type. So this is a simple concept in a PHP. Here we define a function by using a function keyword, then there is a one function name, and parameters is the optional, okay, and there is no need to define a return type, and call this function by using the function name, and if there are the parameter then pass here. Okay, so students, test this code on your machine. On next video we will see that the file handlings in a PHP. Okay, so till if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box, likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.